Welcome back to our brand new video. So if you see me like this, I'm so happy because this day I just tried Doordash for my first day and I'm gonna show you my earning. You're gonna tell me if it's this one or is worth it to the Doordash or is not, because this is my first time. If you don't see me make a lot of money, don't be worried, because I'm gonna try out for next day to see what result I can bring. Earning gonna tell you if you do wanna do Doordash. That depends on where you live, because I live in New York. Yes, so I'm gonna show you exactly how much money I make doing Doordash. So yesterday I tried Doordash for my first time. This is my first time I tried Doordash and I was very excited about it, but because I like it. Some restaurant asks you have to have Doordash bag with you, because they're not gonna give you the food if you don't have the Doordash bag, and you have sometimes you're gonna have to require to pay with card. So yeah, you're gonna have to pay with Doordash card sometimes. Yeah, and there is the third thing again. So you're gonna have to, sometimes you have to place the order for the customer. This is crazy. I don't like this. I'm not used to place order for customer and something like that. I'm not really like it, but I enjoy getting the way they pay out. So let's see how much money I make in Doordash. I'm gonna go grab my phone real quick and I gonna show you how much money I make, and you can figure out how much is the income per hour. So let's see. And this is the money that I make. So I make $151.24. I make 14 deliveries and from 2 to 19 p.m. for 8 hours. So that's mean I work 8 hours. I work 8 hours in Doordash and I make $151. Okay. So I don't know, let me know, because I want to try. I was so exciting because I see a lot of people doing Doordash and they don't have any issue going on with Doordash. So I figure out to try it out and I give it a try. Look at my first day, how much money I make. I'll make $151.24. I think that's not bad, but if I divided by like $151.24 divided by 8 hours, that means I make $18 an hour. Yeah, I make $18 an hour. This is how much money I make in Doordash, $18 an hour. Let me know what you think about this, because this is my first time. I say I'm gonna put my phone away. So this is my first time doing Doordash. Let me know what you think. This video, I know I make this video just to show you, but I'm not sure how much money you can make. Like, you know, you see me making $200 in Uber Eats. $200 in Uber Eats. You see me make $300 in Uber Eats. You see me make $100 in a day with Uber Eats, and I show you exactly how I did it, and you can do it for yourself. What is the best delivered company you know out there? Because I've been trying Doordash and I do Uber Eats. This is one I use, Uber Eats. So if you want to start doing Doordash just like me, you want to give it a try but you don't have the app, I'm gonna put a link below, and you can go and download the app real quick and start making delivery. And after that, you can always come back to this video and you can drop some comment below. Tell me what you think about Doordash, if it's worth it, if it's better. So let me know in the comment section below what you think, and don't forget to smash the like button. If you didn't do it yet, please make sure you subscribe also, and see you to the next video. Hey, hold on, you didn't smash the like button yet? Please make sure you do it right now. Smash the like button.